Welcome, everyone. Today, we are breaking down the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam, specifically the SAA version. This certification is a major milestone for anyone in a solutions architect role, as it validates your ability to design secure and high-performing solutions using the AWS well-architected framework. So, who is this exam for? Ideally, you should have at least 1 year of hands-on experience designing cloud solutions on AWS. The exam itself consists of 2 types of questions, multiple choice, where there's one right answer, and multiple response, where you'll need to pick 2 or more correct options from a list. Keep in mind, while there are 65 questions total, only 50 affect your score, while 15 are unscored questions used by AWS for future evaluation. How do you pass? The exam uses a scaled score between 100 and 1000, and you'll need a minimum of 720 to succeed. It's a compensatory model, meaning you don't have to pass every single section, just achieve a high enough overall score to prove your competency. Unanswered questions are marked as incorrect, so there's no penalty for guessing. Make sure you answer everything. The exam is divided into 4 key domains, each with a different weight. Design secure architectures is the largest at 30%, followed by design resilient architectures at 26%. High-performing architectures makes up 24%, and finally, cost-optimized architectures accounts for the remaining 20%. Let's dive into what each of these actually covers. Domain 1 focuses on security. You will need to know how to design secure access to resources using tools like ING and the principle of least privilege. You also need to determine the right data security controls, which involves understanding encryption at rest via AWS KMS and encryption in transit using TLS. This domain ensures your workloads and applications are hardened against external threats. To master this, you need to understand the tools in your security toolbox and how they apply to the AWS shared responsibility model. Tool 1. Identity or Access Management. The gatekeepers, the foundation of your toolbox is AWS ING, Identity and Access Management. You'll need to be an expert in designing flexible authorization models using users, groups, roles, and policies. Tool 2. Network or Application Defense. The shield. Next, we move to protecting the workload itself from external threats like DDoS and SQL injection. VPC security, segmentation and edge protection by using various services. Tool 3. Data protection or encryption. The vault. This set of tools is for securing data both at rest and in transit. The well-architected goal by mastering these tools, ING for access, VPC components for networking, and KMS for data, you'll be able to design architectures that aren't just functional, but are hardened against threats according to the AWS well-architected framework. Domain 2 is resiliency. This is all about scalability and loose coupling. You'll need to be familiar with event-driven architectures, microservices, and load balancing with tools like ALB. A huge part of this section is disaster recovery strategies, such as pilot light or active-active failover, to ensure your systems remain highly available and fault-tolerant across different availability zones and regions. Your primary tools for loose coupling are Amazon SQS for queuing and event-driven architectures to prevent cascading failures. For high availability, deploy application load balancers and Route 53 across multiple availability zones. Finally, master disaster recovery strategies like pilot light or active-active failover to meet your RTO and RPO targets. Build for resilience, and you're ready for 26% of the exam. This domain accounts for 24% of your score. It's all about building for speed and scale. We're talking elastic compute, no more over-provisioning. Plus, picking the perfect DB engine for your workload. And don't forget network and ingestion. If your data pipes aren't scalable, your architecture isn't performing. You'll be tested on selecting the right high-performing storage, like S3, EBS, or EFS, and elastic compute solutions like auto-scaling or serverless patterns using Lambda and Fargate. You also need to know how to optimize database performance using read replicas and caching services like Amazon Elasticache to meet business demands. Performance is great, but at what price? Domain 4 is the key to balancing the scales. This domain makes up 20% of your exam. It's all about eliminating waste without sacrificing power. First, storage. You need to master tiering and lifecycle rules to stop paying for data you don't use. Next, compute. Use spot and reserved instances to slash your bill through smart purchasing models and right sizing. Finally, networking. Stop the leak by minimizing those hidden data transfer fees. Scale smart, save big. Stop the waste. Use S3 lifecycle policies and intelligent tiering to move data to cheaper tiers automatically. For compute, use spot instances for fault-tolerant apps, or savings plans for steady-state workloads to slash costs. Finally, keep watch with Cost Explorer and budgets. Don't let NUT gateway fees or hidden data transfers ruin your architecture. Master the cost toolbox and ace your certification. Stop wasting time on the wrong topics. Security and resiliency make up a massive 56% of your exam. But don't sleep on Domain 4. Cost optimization is another 20%, and it's all about that balance between performance and price. You need a toolkit. Use S3 intelligent tiering for storage, spot instances for stateless apps, and Cost Explorer to track it all. Pro tip: watch for distractor logic. An answer might be technically possible, but if it isn't the most cost-effective, it's wrong. Master the weights, use the tools, and get certified. You got this. Think you know the answer? Knowing why it's right is only half the battle. Our playlist doesn't just give you the answer key. We break down every single question in detail. We go deep on the correct logic and explain exactly why the other options are incorrect distractors designed to trip you up. Once you think you are ready for the real thing, use our actual exam-style practice sets to simulate the pressure and timing of the real SAA-C03 exam. Boost your knowledge and stop guessing. Click the playlist and let's get certified.